Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to share with you on how we are cooking rice with green peas here in Pakistan. First, of course, we have to fry the onions and then cover it for at least 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes, let's check again in a low fire, right? But it still looks not cooked, so we are going to wait until it becomes golden in color, then add the tomatoes. Here I use 3 pieces of medium-sized tomatoes and 3 pieces of medium-sized onions. Mix them and then cover them for 5 minutes again, and after 5 minutes you will see that it will be like that, so it means it's now cooked. And to make sure that it's cooked, you have to check when the oil is already separating from the ingredients. So we will be adding the remaining ingredients that like garlic. Let the garlic cook for a while, and then after that add the salt for taste. It's up to you if how much salt do you want. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. It's optional. If you don't want it spicy, you can just skip this ingredient. Mix them well until they get cooked. You have to cook them at least 1 minute. Then cover it for at least 5 minutes. Sure that the fire is in a low fire. So now after 5 minutes, it will be like this. Now it's ready for the last ingredients. Let's add the green peas. Use here half kilo of green peas or 3 glasses of green peas. After mixing them, let's cover it and wait for 30 minutes in a low fire or medium fire. And then after 30 minutes, you will see that it's like this. The oil is now also separating, so it means it's done. So we will be adding the green chili. It's a whole fresh green chili, right? Time to add 4½ glasses of water. Once the water is started to boil, then let us add the rice that we have soaked on the water for 1 hour. I used here 3 glasses of rice as well. That's why I'm using 4½ glasses of water. Now, let us mix it and let it boil in a medium fire. After 30 minutes, it becomes like this. The water gets dry, but still there is some water, so we have to cook it more. After another 15 minutes in a medium fire, the rice becomes like this. But in this case, sorry, I forgot to take the video when I removed the cover to let the heat out, and the water gets dry quickly. So now, since there is no more water, let us cook it in a very low fire. Cover it for 15 to 30 minutes. It's up to you. Just check it time to time. Here in Pakistan, we usually use tawa for under the dish or under the cooking pot, so that the water will not be direct and to avoid being burned. For the rice to be cooked, I am going to prepare raita, and for this raita I need 2 pieces of onions, 3 pieces of tomatoes, 2 cups of plain yogurt, and also chaat masala. Mix the yogurt, then add all the ingredients, the chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped masala. I'm sorry I was not able to take the video as well. And then mix them well, just like this. Also, you can add salt, and the salt, it depends on you. If how much salty do you want. Here, the yummy raita is ready for cooking, and let's check the rice. After 15 minutes in a low fire, the rice becomes like this. Now, it's almost done. Let's give it for another 5 minutes more to cook. It's all done. So let us start eating. Here in Pakistan, the rice is it has a long grain or it's a long grains of rice, but the taste it's so much difference from the Philippine rice. And this is how to cook the rice with the raita, and it's up to you, but this is mostly the common way on how to eat raita with this rice. You can also eat it, or it will be more nice with fish or meat in it. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.